The Drifter is a luxury two-rider towable designed for long summer days on the boat. Loaded with features and constructed from only the highest quality materials, the Drifter will keep you where you want to be, on the water. Large Boston-style valves promote quick and easy inflation and deflation, while the soft foam handles, neoprene knuckle guards, and staggered padded seating ensure that you'll be riding in ultimate comfort. Grab a buddy and put the Drifter to the test. It's sure to hold true to its name. Key features of the Drifter include 840 denier nylon, 30 gauge PVC, two-way Boston valve, HO quick connect tow attachment, nylon covered soft foam handles, an industry leading 1-year warranty, 2K tube rope required.